This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both ends, Unity and your Android device. Install Unity Editor with Android build support and include the SDK and NDK. This gives Unity the tools to compile APKs. On the phone, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so Unity can see it. Once done, connect the phone via USB and accept any debugging prompts. Make sure the phone is set to a compatible USB mode. This gets you ready to configure Unity for device deployment. Now configure the Unity project so it builds for your device. In build settings, switch the platform to Android and add your main scene. This tells Unity to target ARM or x86 properly. Next, open player settings and set the package name, minimum API level matching the phone, and preferred orientation so the app behaves correctly. Make sure Unity points to a valid JDK or use the bundled Open JDK, and set a key store for signing if you plan to install non-development builds. Finally, build and deploy to your phone. Choose Build and Run, select the connected device, and let Unity compile and install the APK. You'll see progress logs. Make sure to watch the console for any compile or linking errors. If the device does not appear or install fails, recheck SDK/NDK/JDK paths and verify USB debugging authorization on the phone. One key troubleshooting tip: if connection issues persist, toggle USB debugging off and on, reauthorize the computer, and update device drivers to restore communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.